Good morning. I have a package. Let's find out what it is. Folks, I finally found some. In theory, what the heck? Golly gosh. Alright, I found some in frustration full packaging. I finally found some Carabiner clips. Ooh, that's not a good sign. Check that out. That's not supposed to do that. How's this one? That one works. That one works. Alright, so one of them is broken. But there are 10 of them. That one, however, is broken. Alright, so I got one broken one and 9 good ones. Considering how hard these have been to find, I guess that's alright. I've been wanting these so that I could snap my purse onto my bike. And these will do it, thankfully. But, yeah, seems pretty solid. They got a good feel to them. But, looks like you might have some issues with the springs. This one's actually okay. So, 9 out of 10 of them are good, folks. And I did find some Carabiner clips, so hey, that's good. Alright, if you need Carabiner clips, there'll be a link in the description. Anyway, that's the end of this video, folks. Have a great night, and I will bring a new video to you in a few.